Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys have been doing great. Finally, I have the time to really do share with you guys the review of this creative sound blaster GC7 this Zack and M. I've been crazy busy in my work, so I finally got the chance. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channels, for all you guys there, and also those who actually view my videos. Thank you so much guys for your support. Okay, so objective today is the video today is to share with you guys some of my thoughts, okay, and on this creative sound blaster GC7, fantastic Deck M guys, really fantastic. Okay, so without further ado guys, let me show you guys the Deck M itself. Okay guys, so this is the Deck M itself. So if you have not checked out my unboxing video, okay, so you can check out here or here, I don't know where is it. So I think it's here. Okay, so I'll link the video to you guys so you guys can check it out. Okay, I mean, I've been using this for I think probably around 3 weeks, close to a month I guess. Okay, so far I've used it for gaming, music listening. Oh yeah, just to be upfront with you guys, I'm not an audiophile. Okay, I just bought this because it's from Creative. It's a brand that I trusted for for many years. I bought their Creative Sound, Creative Katana, etc. If you guys like, I can do a review for that as well. But today we're going to talk about the GC7. Okay, so first off, right off, I just in on more of like the uh an issue that I'm not really saying it's an issue, but it's just that something that I'm checking with them currently. So as you can see, it's related to the build quality, I feel. So if you guys can see, I'm not sure, those of you who have this, do let me know. Okay, so I have this issue where this portion here, it seems like it is not closed completely, and there's a room for it to for me to press in. It's not so firm. Okay, by right I feel that it's supposed to be like glued together, like I won't feel anything. Okay, so and something odd that I noticed, when during the day or throughout the day or at night, is that there's sudden pop sound, like it's similar to this. Okay, so I'm not sure, is it because like the because my room is air conditioned at night, so I'm not sure, is it because of the cold air, or it's too cold, then that's why it caused the plastic to expand or something like that. I mean, let me know guys, those of you who have actually owned this GC7, let me know if you guys have this issue. You guys can check it out. Okay, I'm bringing down this unit to Creative Help Service Center in Singapore to help me take a look. Okay, other than that, nothing much to complain about this deck. In terms of the wheel wise, right? Okay, guys, it's quite smooth. It's very very smooth. It doesn't have the tactile like some of the other type of devices that you have the tick 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 kind of stuff. So it's very smooth. Okay, so this is actually the volume button. Okay, so normally I just crank it to like in the mid lah, basically. And then this one is the different functions. Okay, so you have your surround sound. Okay, so once you click on the surround sound, then you just use this button to use or to tune up the volume, or whatever amount that you want. Okay, but normally for me, I will just leave it at 0. Okay, so for this button, as you guys can hear, right? Okay, so there's a bit of tactile here. Okay, I'm not sure why they design in a way that here don't have, here have, then here don't have again. I'm not sure why. So probably need a bit of consistency I feel, right, in this area. Okay, but otherwise it's good. Okay, so this is the base, right? So base wise, I don't use a lot. Okay, I set at 0. Okay, so this is the X5 SX5, Z5, SX5, I don't know. Okay, so so there's different I would say each different color represents different kind of settings. Later on, let me just show you if I can find. Let me see. Okay, so green means the SX5 is on. I'm not sure why it's not green now. So solid blue is mean the better mode is on, and then solid orange means SX Fi is off. Okay, so basically it's off now, I believe, right? So yeah, so if you, I'm not sure why is it like this now. Okay, so I have this treble. Okay, uh treble, I don't really use that as well. Okay, and mic I'll try to turn it up as much as possible, because sometimes when I do streaming, right, the game volume overrides my mic volume. Okay, so basically this is something that I'll turn on. Okay guys, I managed to find out why I am not able to turn this on to the different colors, because I didn't plug in, guys. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, so see, green is on, blue is battle mode is on, okay, and of course, orange is off. Okay, if you unplug it, right, it becomes red. Okay, right, so you can't do anything. Okay, so basically for this SFI mode, I really think that it depends on individual. I mean, personally, if you will ask me, do I have any like advantage in playing Apex? I use that on Apex Legends. You ask me, no. Really a slight advantage, I feel. Normally, most of the time I just switch it off. Okay, it's really, I just switch off. But the sound quality when it's gaming, without this also is really very good, guys. All right. So I'll move on to the next volume knob. Okay, which is this. Okay, so this is the mic volume knob. Okay, so you can see it doesn't have the tactile as well as it has a very cool lighting feature here. Okay, so the cool thing about this, right, guys, okay, you can program this. You see this C1, C2, C3, C4, right? C3, C4. Okay. You can actually program it individually. Let me see. Okay, so this is FPS mode by default. I'm saying by default. When you open up on the box, I also did nothing to configure it. Okay, so this is FPS mode. Okay, this is mic monitoring. This is scout mode. This is output switch between headset or speaker. So that means you have your headset or your speaker plug in. I think it's here. Okay, so you can switch it off, switch it on, but you can actually configure it using the GC7 app as well. Okay, so the other button here is the mute button. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is that. Okay, so at the back of the button, sorry, I think I should. Okay, so at the back of the button, okay, here is the power switch. Let me just show you guys. Okay, here's the. I'll show you if I can. So this is a power switch. Okay, here is the low gain, the mobile and console. Okay, here is the optical in. Okay, of course this is our beloved USB-C. Okay, so it's the optical out. Okay, so this is the high low gain. Okay, so this is the mobile line in. I think you can plug your mobile device here, and then this is the light out. Sorry guys, I think it's a bit I'm trying to zoom in, but it's a bit blur. It's not very clear. Okay, anyway, you can refer to their website for more info on the individual so-called buttons, I would say. Okay, so after showing you guys the exterior, and all around this GC7, I'm gonna talk about the sound quality, guys. Okay, I'm using Spotify. I can only tell you guys, it's really, really, really very good. Okay, it's very clear. Okay, compared to last time, I'm using a G5. Okay, I'm using a G5. There's really a lot of different. Okay, as you can see, I don't really tune a lot of their settings. Okay, I just use it by default. Anyway, guys, just for information, in case you guys wonder what kind of headset I use, let me just let me just show you guys. Okay, I'm using PC the AX. Very good combo, guys. Very good combo. I'm not kidding. It's very good. I'm not audiophile, but when I listen to it, it's very, very good. Okay, gaming wise, you pair this and this, fantastic. Okay, FPS. Okay, I play Apex Legend. I play Path of Excel. Both very immersive, guys. Really very immersive. All right, so it's really, really very good value money. Okay, I actually contemplated to buy the Shit Hell, Okay, in the end, because of the back order issue they had, in the end I went with Creative. Also because I can get local support. Shit hell, I don't think I can get any local support because it's in the US. But for this, I'm able to get support in local. Okay, sound quality, music wise, Spotify, YouTube, alright. No gimmick like flat music, all this, nothing. Okay, just Spotify, normal usage. Fantastic, guys. It's really an upgrade, and I have to say again, I'm not audiophile. Okay, and this really impresses me a lot. Okay, build quality wise, I think maybe can improve a bit. I'll probably keep you guys updated on my Instagram after my visit to their service center this weekend. So I'll link my Instagram account in the description there so that you guys can follow me. Alright, so overall guys, I also don't want to delay this video too long. So overall guys, in terms of if what kind of people should buy this, okay, if you have a bit of cash like $200, okay, I know there's a lot of like other people will say, oh, maybe you should buy a dedicated those like audiophile quality or DAC and M, but to me, all right, okay, it doesn't make any difference to me personally. Okay, I tried them in the past as well. Okay, I went to some of the headphone shop to try. To be honest, this really gives me the value of the bang for buck kind of like level, kind of like this kind of feel. Alright, $200 and it delivers this kind of sound quality. I think it's worth it. Maybe I have not seen enough. I have not tested every single kind of like 200 range kind of like DAC and M, but I've tried G5, I've tried this, I've tried like the brands from Fio, that kind of stuff. To me, this really, in terms of feature wise and music wise, okay, gaming features wise, streamers feature wise, this one win, guys. Really, this one really, they win this time round. Okay, unless you can tell me, okay, you have another dedicated DAC and M separate, okay, plus you have an Elgato Stream Deck, okay, that you can actually control this I mean all the other functions, then yeah, by all means go ahead. But if you look for something that is have almost the same feature, I don't think this one can be as that has so as much feature as Elgato Stream Deck, and also a dedicated DAC and M combo, that kind of the kind of gadgets. But this for normal usage, guys, okay, if you are like me, normal gamer, normal music, Spotify, YouTube, okay, try this, guys. Really try this. This is fantastic. Okay, this is one of the I was quite amazed by the way that it sound when I first plug in to my PC, the AX. Okay, and of course, the headset that I use could also factor in, okay, the sound quality. Okay, so like I said, PC, the AX, okay, and the Creative GC7, okay, these two, I would say fantastic combo, guys. Okay, PC, the AX in Singapore is not available, you have to buy from Mass Drop. Okay, but guys, okay, this headset, fantastic. Okay, I have never ever tried to look for another headset, gaming headset again, or all-round headset again after I tried this. Okay, people can complain about the build quality, plastic, too plastic, right? Both are plastic, but both are flimsy plastic, I say. Okay, but both in terms of quality, sound quality, right? Output, input, no, this to this, fantastic, guys, really. Okay, and in terms of build quality, they are not the worst, right? I think they are better. I mean, they could have done better, but I think it's fine for me, right? So I hope I can actually help you guys make a purchase decision with this video of the GC7. Alright, let me know, guys, okay, if you want me to test anything, or you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. I will do my best to help you. or if do any testing if needed. Okay, I have my PC3X here, you know, to help me to do any form of testing that you guys would probably need to know before you buy. Okay, overall conclusion, guys, fantastic deck M. I've seen it a lot of time in this video. I don't know how many times I said it, but I stood by it. I stand by it. Okay, this is one of the best deck M in my personal opinion. After I tried a few, this is one of the most feature rich. Sound quality is one of the best. Okay, yeah, go for the Creative Sound Blaster GC7. Okay, alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy, you know, what I have shared with you guys on this GC7. Alright, as usual, you know, like and subscribe to my channel or like this video. So if this video help you guys to make any good purchase decision, okay, I will continue to put out good contents. I've seen quite a bit of the very nice comment from you guys to you know, about the quality of my video and all that. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I love you guys. Okay, I hope you guys stay safe. Okay, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.